friends, welcome to yet another episode where we are covering the 17th edition of Renewable Energy India Expo, co-located with the 2nd edition of Battery India Show. This event is a perfect platform where more than 850 exhibitors are showcasing the best of renewable energy options, be it the solar energy, bioenergy, wind energy or alternate energy solutions, battery solutions and energy storage devices. Well friends, we are having a lot of conference sessions here, a lot of conclaves are planned in these 3 days of Kumbh Mela for the renewable energy sector. Let us go inside, show you the glimpses of this event, talk to the organizer and understand the key highlights of this event. If you have not yet subscribed to Exhibition Showcase, it's time you hit the like and subscribe button because we bring to you the latest content from the world of exhibitions. Come with me. Mr. Yogesh Mudras, the Managing Director of Informa Markets in India. Thank you, sir, for giving us time. Congratulations, what a grand turnout it has been on day one. Please tell us what have been the key highlights of this event.
So as you rightly said, this is 17th edition of the show. I think this is something which the industry calls as the Kumbh Mela of renewable energy, and I think that's what we saw today, and it's been a great response. This is the largest ever REI show that we are putting in 850 exhibitors from across the world exhibiting out here. And what we found is last year we launched the battery show because in solar you can generate power in the day, but what happens in the evening because when the sun is not there, so there is that intermittency lag that happens. So there is an element of storage that is required. So that's the reason we brought our battery show, which happens in US and Germany. We brought, so it's India is the third location which we have co-located with REI, and that's now actually fills in the entire value chain. Generate power, store it, and the storage costs also coming down. And that show has more than doubled this year from what we launched. So it's at 250 exhibitors in the 2nd edition itself. So very happy, very pleased to see the response, and let's see. Today the day has been very nice, and I believe the momentum will continue now over the next 2 days. But happy that this is something which is in the government's vision of the net zero emissions by 2070, the targets by 2030, where the government is expecting 50% of energy to be generated from just renewable energy. So that's where so our goal by doing this event is to just ensure that that mission is achieved.
What message you would like to give to our audiences and the visitors at large who would like to come to visit this show in the remaining 2 days? Any message you can give to them?
Absolutely, I think this is as I said, a Kumbh Mela of the renewable energy, and I think this is the future. I think we are looking at any fresh investments are happening are only in this sector. So I'm sure anybody connected with the sector, they already know this sector. They are coming in, they have made it right, it's got into the heart of the people. So they would come in. Anybody is wanting to know what's happening in the sector and are part of business, please do and come over here. This is happening over the next 3 days here at the Greater Noida. REI has always been a content-focused event, so I think there's enormous amount of content. I think the first thing is we have 2 different CEO roundtables, which closed-door CEO roundtables for both RE sector and the battery sector, where the top CEOs of the country are talk about what are the challenges and innovations related to the sector, and we create a white paper and then submit to various stakeholders. Having said that, we also have the CTO roundtables, which are there tomorrow for both sectors separately. So that's something for the top leaders of this sector. Moving from that, we also have multi-track conferences. We have 4 tracks of conferences happening now in REI, plus another track in the battery. Overall, over 350 speakers speaking over here from across the world coming in and speaking out here at this event. Beyond that, we have the Innovation Theatre, which shows about what are the new innovations that have happened. We have the Bio Pavilion, for the example, bioenergy, which is a big one. It started as a small pavilion with about 48 square meters, has grown to over 550 square meters this year. So bioenergy is also coming in a big way. German pavilions, we have investors forum that is happening, where we have 6 investors, top-notch investors coming into the show, and we have shortlisted about 18 startups who are going to present their ideas, and some of them are going to get investment. And bear in mind, on the 16 startups, there are 2 German startups who are coming to India to seek investment. So
amazing.
Yeah, so lots happening over this.
So much of stuff. I believe you will be easily able to draw more than 50,000 audience this time.
That's the target. 50,000 plus is our target for this year.
We wish you all the best for your continued success. Thank you.